Welcome to the Red Writers Write This Minute videos where you learn writing tips in a flash. I'm your host, Sava Kolev. Today, let's talk about fused sentences. Fused sentence happens when two independent clauses are joined without any punctuation. If you don't remember what an independent clause is, remember that there are three things to check for in an independent clause. Does it have a noun? Who or what does the action? Does it have a verb? Action. And does it make sense when read alone? Sometimes fused sentences are also referred to as run-on sentences, which might make you think that they're long, but that's not always the case. Check out this example. Texas Tech has a top law school. It also has the Jerry S. Rawls College of Business Administration. This sentence doesn't seem especially long, so it should be fine, right? Wrong. It is a fused sentence. Here we have two independent clauses with no punctuation between them. We could fix this fused sentence by adding a period, a semicolon, or a comma with a coordinating conjunction. And, but, yet could all work here. Deciding which fix to make depends on the relationship between the two ideas. In the first sentence, the first independent clause's verb is has. The second independent clause's verb is also has. Because of this, we use a comma and a coordinating conjunction and. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications for our newest videos.